Welcome to the ABC show. Let's meet the letters of the alphabet and hear them say their names along with a word that starts with their letter. Ready? Let's go. A. Letter A. A is for apple. B. Letter B. B is for ball. C. Letter C. C is for cat. D. Letter D. D is for dog. E. Letter E. E is for egg. F. Letter F. F is for flower. G. Letter G. G is for giraffe. H. Letter H. H is for hat. I. Letter I. I is for ice cream. J. Letter J. J is for jellyfish. K. Letter K. K is for key. L. Letter L. L is for lemon. M. Letter M. M is for mango. N. Letter N. N is for net. O. Letter O. O is for orange. P. Letter P. P is for pencil. Q. Letter Q. Q is for queen. R. Letter R. R is for rabbit. S. Letter S. S is for ship. T. Letter T. T is for truck. U. Letter U. U is for unicorn. V. Letter V. V is for van. W. Letter W. W is for whale. X. Letter X. X is for axe. Y. Letter Y. Y is for yak. Z. Letter Z. Z is for zebra. Thanks for learning the alphabet with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.